Hey guys, in this video we will discuss about the gametogenesis. So, gametogenesis is the process by which gametes or germ cells are produced in any organism. So, germ cells, these are derived from the epiblast and these are bipotential till 6 weeks of the lives. Okay, so now the sex determination in any organism, in mainly in human, these are determined by the SRY region. SRY stands for sex related region, which is present on the Y chromosome and its short arm. Okay, now we will discuss the spermatogenesis and the oogenesis respectively. First of all, spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis means the formation of the sperms from the spermatogonia. So, spermatogonia to the sperms, this whole process, this is the spermatogenesis. Okay, so first of all, spermatogenesis, this begins at the puberty, and first one primary spermatocyte gives rise to 4 sperms. Now let's see the whole process. First of all, spermatogonia. This is converted into primary spermatocyte by the process mitosis, and we know that in mitosis there is no decrease in the chromosome number. So here is 46XY. Now in meiosis first, the chromosome number will be halved. So this is 23X and 23Y, and the formed structure is known as secondary spermatocyte. Now the meiosis second will begin and this will give rise to 4 spermatids. 1 2 3 4, these are the 4 spermatids. So one spermatocyte forms 4 spermatids. Okay, and in the meiosis second the chromosome number is same. Only in the meiosis first the chromosome number becomes half. Now, the process of conversion of spermatid into the sperms is known as spermiogenesis, and the whole process of spermatogonia to the sperms, this is known as spermatogenesis. This is spermiogenesis and the whole process is the spermatogenesis. Now, one spermatogonia gives rise to 16 primary spermatocytes, and we also know that one spermatocyte give rise to 4 spermatid or 4 sperm. So 16 into 4 equals 64 sperms. Now some important points regarding the sperm are these. Sperms lacks rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough ER is absent in case of sperms. The size of the sperms is 55 to 60 micron, and the filamentous structure or arrangement present on the tail of the sperm is 9+2. What is the site of spermatogenesis? This is one of the most asked question. This is the seminiferous tubule. Sperm attains maturity at caudal end of epididymis. What are the gene responsible for the motility? This is the cat spur gene. And what the time to reach the sperm from the cervix to the ampulla of the fallopian tube this is the 30 minutes approximate. Now let's talk about oogenesis, the process of formation of the female gametes. So oogenesis starts or begins in the intrauterine life. First of all, the oogonia, which is the 46XX, will give rise to primary oocyte by the process of mitosis, and we also know that in mitosis there is no decrease in chromosome number. Then it enters to the meiosis stage, but it is arrested in the diplotin stage of the prophase first, and it is arrested till puberty. Till puberty there is no change happens. No change happens till puberty. Mitosis will not take place after birth. So primary oocytes, now those primary oocytes, these get surrounded by follicular cells. Let me show you some make a structure. So these are the primary oocyte. These get surrounded by such follicular cells, and this structure is known as primordial follicle. So this is the primary oocyte. These are surrounded by the follicular cells of the ovary, and this structure formed is known as primordial follicle. Now at puberty, the hypothalamo-pituitary ovarian axis, this will be active, and this will release GnRH. Then this will act on the anterior puberty, which will release LH and FSH, and due to the LH surge or increase in the LH amount, meiosis first will be resumed or it will begin. Then there will be meiosis first, and the 46XX will be converted into 23X and 23X, as it is the meiosis 1, and we know that in meiosis first the chromosome number is halved. Then this primary oocyte will get converted into the secondary oocyte and one polar body. Now this stage will also get arrested in metaphase till fertilization. So meiosis second will only happen when there will be fertilization. So let's suppose if there is fertilization occurred, then the meiosis second will take place, and there will be formation of the female pronucleus and the second polar body. So this was all about the oogenesis, the basics of the oogenesis, and later on we will discuss regarding the fertilization, what are the events before fertilization and after. So if you want to watch the whole next series, you should subscribe and share our videos. Thank you.